Okay, good day, everybody. I'm sure we've already learned a lot so far. Okay, my name is Wonderful Blessed. I'll be talking about logo design and brand identity design. So, I'll be touching on what a logo is, the purpose of a logo, types of logo and examples of logos, what a good logo consists of, or in other words, properties of a good logo, and how to create a good logo. Okay, we'll start with what is a logo. A logo is a symbol meant for identification purposes. Okay, if you are writing, you can write. A logo is a symbol used by individuals, companies, businesses, agencies, government officials, churches, etc. Okay, it is a symbol meant for identification and recognition. So a logo is a symbol used by people meant for identification and recognition. That's what a logo is. Okay, the primary purpose of a logo is to identify. You know that when you see this logo, for example, you know that it is these people that owns it. That's what identification does. Okay, you see the Apple logo somewhere, you know that it is an iPhone or a MacBook or an iPad. You can't see an Apple logo, for example, and you can't say that maybe it's a LG or maybe it's HP. Meanwhile, you are seeing an Apple logo and you are saying maybe it's Samsung. You can't, because you already know that the Apple logo is attached to so company. This logo is attached to so company. This logo belongs to so company. Anywhere you see it, wake you up from sleep, you know that this belongs to these people. So that is the purpose of a logo, for identification and recognition. So logo designers, for example, we create logos so that our client can gain recognition. That is one of the primary purpose why we create logos. Okay, so that the people we create the logos for can receive recognition, visibility, awareness. Okay, so we'll move to types of logo and examples. So for types of logo, I'll list them. We have the monogram logo or lettermark logo. Okay, we have the word marks or logo types, pictorial logo, abstract logo, mascot logo, emblem logo or badge, geometric logo. Okay, so we'll be touching on some few of these. So we'll start with monogram. Monogram logo. A monogram logo, or also known as lettermarks, are logos that consist of letters, usually brand initials. Okay, a lettermark is a typography-based logo that's comprised of a few letters, usually a company's initial. Okay, here are some examples. So basically what it's saying is, for companies that maybe their names are too long or that they want to use their initials for a logo, then you consider using a monogram type of logo or a lettermark. Okay, like see these examples now. NASA, for example, we know that NASA is a something agency of space. You know, the name is long, so you want to do a logo, they had to use the initials. Okay, making it NASA. Same with HBO. Let's say, for example, your the brand is, or the company is like this P, for example. Let's say the name is pineapple hot summer, for example. You can't start using pineapple hot summer to start doing a logo. It's a very long name, okay? So you can either shorten it by using a monogram. Just use like letter P or maybe a PHS for pineapple hot summer, something like that. So that is the idea of monogram logo. Next we have the word mark or logo types. Okay. The word mark or logo type is similar to monogram and letter mark actually. A word mark or logo type is a font-based logo that focuses on business name alone. Okay, this one is a bit similar to the first example, but now this one uses the name of the company, the business name fully as the logo. Like see this example, Google. His logo is Google. That is the logo. The logo is his name. Like another good example, another very good example is Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola uses their logo. Either they use Coke, C-O-K-E, or they use the full Coca-Cola, full one. So that is another example of word mark logo for companies that want to use their full business name. Then you opt for word mark logo. Let's move to the next. Next we have pictorial logo. Okay, a pictorial logo, a pictorial mark, sometimes called brand mark or logo symbol or icon, is an icon or graphic based logo. An example is the iconic Apple logo and the Twitter bird logo. Okay, so this is a pictorial mark. It's when you use an image, for example, to do a logo. You want to use an image of a bird, you're using knife, for example, or you want to do a health logo or a hospital logo. Now you're using images of hospital, maybe medicine or injection. You're using image of injection to do the logo, for example. So that is how to use pictorial mark or pictorial logo. These are good examples. The next one is abstract logo. Okay, abstract logo. What is an abstract logo? An abstract logo or an abstract mark is a specific type of pictorial logo. Okay, it is not a pictorial logo. It is not a pictorial logo. Okay, it is an abstract mark is a specific type of pictorial logo. It's an abstract geometric form that represents your business. A few examples include the Pepsi divided circle and the Strippy Adidas flower. Okay, these are just examples of an abstract logo. I like to give another name to this abstract logo as free form logo. Like this one, you are not limited to anything. You are not limited to pictures. You are not limited to using any initials or company name. The idea of this is just to create something unique and abstract. Okay, something very weird and abstract. Like see this Pepsi, for example, it's just there. Okay, abstract logo. I like to call it freeform logo because you can create anything. You can create it anyhow. It's not limited to any rules. So let's move to the next one.